say you kissed the ground where I walked. You ought to kill me. I'm so tired. If only I could rest. I'm a seagull. No, that's wrong. I'm an actress. Yes. So he's here too. I'm all right. He didn't believe in the stage. He always laughed at my ambitions, and little by little, I came to not believe in it either. I lost heart. And on top of that, the anxieties of love and jealousy, perpetual fear for the child, I became trivial and commonplace. I acted without meaning. I didn't know what to do with my hands, or how to stand on the stage. I had no control over my voice. You can't imagine how you feel when you know that you are acting atrociously. I am a seagull. No, that's wrong. Do you remember how you shot a seagull? A man comes along by chance and sees her, and just to amuse himself, he ruins her. A subject for a short story. No, that's not it. What was I talking about? Acting. Yeah. I'm not like that now. I'm a real actress. When I act, I rejoice. I delight in it. I am intoxicated, and I feel that I am splendid. Since I got here, I've been walking all the time and thinking and feeling how my inner strength grows every day. And now I see at last, Constantine, that in our sort of work, whether we are actors or writers, the chief thing is not fame or glory, not what I dreamed of, but the gift of patience. One must bear one's cross and have faith. My faith makes me suffer less. And when I think of my vocation, I'm no longer afraid.